Did you know that instant coffee was first patented way back in 1881, but it didn't become popular until after World War II? Imagine waiting decades for coffee convenience to catch on. Welcome to Coffee Minutes, your go-to podcast for coffee, productivity, and personal finance insights. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions for coffee lovers just starting out. What's the best brewing method for beginners? Let's help you brew confidently at home without needing a barista certification. Let's get into it. Today's topic is all about finding the right coffee brewing method for beginners. Whether you're new to the world of coffee or just tired of expensive cafe runs, I'll break down a few simple methods that can make your home coffee game strong. We'll go over 4 beginner-friendly brewing methods, and I'll help you pick the best one based on your lifestyle, time, and taste preferences. First up, the drip coffee maker. If you're just starting out and want something set it and forget it, the classic drip coffee maker is your friend. You can get a basic machine for around $25 to $40, and it's as easy as filling a filter with ground coffee, pouring in some water, and pressing a button. Use medium grind coffee and filtered water for the best taste. It's beginner-friendly, super reliable, and perfect for busy mornings when you're getting ready for work or school. Next, the French press. This is ideal if you like bolder, full-bodied coffee and don't mind a more hands-on process. All you need is hot water and coarsely ground coffee. Just steep for 4 minutes and press the plunger down. No electricity needed, great for minimalists or travelers. Use a 1 to 15 coffee to water ratio for rich flavor. It's not as quick as a drip machine, but it's satisfying and gives you that cozy, slow coffee experience. Third, let's talk about pour over. Think Hario V60 or Chemex. Pour over coffee gives you full control over your brew. The flavor is clean and bright, especially if you like light roasts. This method takes a little more effort, pouring hot water over grounds in a slow, circular motion, but it's rewarding once you get the hang of it. A gooseneck kettle really helps here. If you're someone who enjoys the ritual of brewing, this one's for you. And finally, single-serve machines like Keurig or Nespresso. If convenience is your top priority and budget isn't a huge concern, these are hard to beat. Just pop in a pod, press a button, and you're done. Minimal cleanup, no grinding, no fuss. If you want to be more eco-conscious and save a bit of money, reusable pods are a great option. This is perfect for college students, busy parents, or anyone who just wants coffee now. If you're curious about leveling up your home brew, and want to explore more on beginner gear, budget-friendly brewing, and ways to get the most out of every cup, you'll find a few helpful reads linked in the description. They're packed with simple, practical ideas to make your coffee life even better. So, how do you choose the right method? If you want ease and affordability, go for a drip coffee maker. If you want rich taste and don't mind a little effort, try the French press. If you love control and flavor clarity, go with a pour-over. If you want speed and minimal cleanup, single-serve machines are the way to go. You really can't go wrong. Just start somewhere and experiment as you go. Let's recap. Drip coffee makers are classic, cheap, and easy. French press gives you bold flavor and is travel-friendly. Pour-over is precise and great for light roast lovers. Single-serve machines are the fastest and easiest, but a bit more expensive. Everyone has their coffee personality. Find yours and enjoy the journey. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and check out the description below for my recommended book list, favorite coffee tools, and my Ko-Fi page. You can support the show, grab some helpful resources, or just buy me a virtual coffee. Watch this next video on how to save $1,000 a year just by making coffee at home. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. This has been Coffee Minutes, and I'll see you next time.